Alright guys, as you can see, the 48 Ford is all buttoned up. Got the dog legs and the hood on, and wasn't that easy to get them lined up, I tell you that. They were off a 2N, and I don't know if there's a slight difference or not, but at any rate, it didn't go on that easy. I did not have a front grill, can't find one for a decent price, so I ended up making my own out of the metal frame I had, and I actually think that's off an old heating system. But at any rate, it's solid steel, protects the radiator, doesn't look too damn shabby. So these are the two decisions I made about her. Number one, she's been a working girl her whole life before she retired to that barn 25 years ago, and sat and kind of stiffened up a little bit. And so I'm not going to be cleaning her all up, making it all spit spot and painting her. The front grill red and the red cap on the radiator is the only paint that she's going to see, the only lipstick and rouge that she needs, because she's pretty enough without all that nonsense. And so I'm going to keep her in her working clothes, and she's going to be the official saleswoman, so to speak, for my tractor business. Put two bumper stickers on one on each side. She's going to get parked up by the lawn, up on the lawn, up by the road, and I'm sure she's going to get a lot of attention. So that's the story on her, and she's all pretty much finished. The only thing left I got to do is make up brackets for the two steps, because they were originally bolted somehow to the sickle bar mower. I don't remember exactly how. So I've actually been getting on and off the tractor from the back. That big hitch this guy made for the back of this tractor is awesome, I tell you. So but all the scratches and different colored paints and nicks and rust and holes give her a lot of character. So that's the story. That's the way she's staying. And Sleeping Beauty is looking pretty darn good, I think, considering what she's been through the last 25 years. Finally moving under her own power, and she's gonna be driven up onto the lawn right now, and given a place of honor with the rest of the tractors. Alright fellas, thank you all for watching this little journal and for chipping in with your comments. Appreciate it very much. Book 'em, Dano. There she is, girls. She brought herself up to the top of the lawn under her own power, and she is proudly back in the tractor world. And gotta say, it must feel good to be out of that barn after 25 years, breathing air again. So she's looking good on top of the lawn. Good view coming down the road. I'm sure she's going to get a lot of attention. So you can see the other girls in the background there. So things are looking up here at the DCS ranch. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you following this. Book 'em, Dano.